Just starting to learn Korean or planning on a trip to Korea and want to survive the basics? In this video, I will show you 12 essential Korean phrases that are super useful in real life and especially if you're a total beginner. I will show you what each one means, how to say it naturally, and when to use it. So let's get started. First up, 안녕하세요. This is the most common and polite way to say hello in Korean. You can use it anytime with anyone, whether it's your teacher or a cashier or someone you just met. And don't forget to say it with a little bow, just a small gesture but show great respect. Next is 감사합니다. Thank you. You will use this one all the time. Whether someone holds the door for you or hands you food, just say 감사합니다. If you're with your close friend, you can use a casual 고마워. But for now, let's just stick with the safe 감사합니다. Okay, this next one is super handy. 주세요. You can put whatever you want, like 땡땡 주세요. For example, 물 주세요. Water please. 김밥 주세요. Kimbap please. Super useful at restaurants and cafes. Ever see something in Korea and think, what is that? You can just say 이거 뭐예요? 이거 뭐예요? It means what is this? Great for pointing at food or signs or even beauty products. People will usually answer with a name, so it's a really good way to learn new words too. Now, if you're shopping, this one is a must. 얼마예요? 얼마예요? They will respond in numbers, so learning numbers in Korean will definitely help too. Next one, 화장실 어디예요? You must know this one. 화장실 is restroom and 어디예요 means where is it. Super helpful in cafes and restaurants or whether you're out and about. This will save you one day. Next, 괜찮아요. This is such a flexible phrase. It can mean it's okay, I'm okay, or even no thank you. If someone bumps into you or say sorry, you can just say 괜찮아요. Or if you don't want a plastic bag at a store, just shake your head and say 괜찮아요. Now the basics, yes and no. 네 means yes. 아니요 means no. Say it clearly and with confidence, even just nodding in a polite 네 goes a long way. This one is a must-know if you're eating in Korea. 잘 먹었습니다. 잘 먹었습니다. It literally means I ate well. You can use it at a restaurant or at home or whenever someone treats you to food. Say it with a smile. Korean loves to hear this and it shows good manners. If someone's speaking too fast, this one is your best friend. 천천히 말씀해 주세요. 천천히 말씀해 주세요. It means please speak slowly. To say it politely and most people will slow down for you. It shows that you're trying to learn and Koreans are usually super kind about it. Sometimes you just don't get it and it's totally okay. 이해 못했어요. 이해 못했어요. You can also say 다시 한번 말씀해 주세요. Please say that one more time. Don't be shy, everyone's been there. Next up, 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 가세요. What's interesting about saying goodbye in Korean is that if you're leaving, you're gonna say 안녕히 계세요, which means stay peacefully. But if they are leaving, you're gonna say 안녕히 가세요, which literally means go peacefully. It's a polite way to end conversation and say goodbye. Alright, those are 12 essential Korean phrases. Which one do you already know and which one you want to start using more? Leave a comment below and let me know. And if you found this helpful, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more Korean contents. See you in the next video. Bye!